Hello, I'm MovinsEdition Alex. This posting is for men and is a double monk strap shoe from the Stefanorossi brand. Men's shoes made of cowhide make the leather soft and the outsole looks durable. This item is recommended for men to wear in suits or casual shoes. More than anything else, it's a stringless design. Double monk strap shoes. It is a design that can be worn comfortably by people with high feet. With shoe buckle detail. I feel classic. I feel stylish. I recommend these shoes for cost effectiveness. Excellent at preventing slipping. Outsole design stands out. Straps into elastic bands. Anyone can wear it comfortably by connecting it in the soles of the shoes. Stefanorossi logo. I actually unclogged the buckle strap. You can adjust it to your own feet. It's a practical function. This is an item for men. These were Stefanorossi brand's double monk strap shoes. The leather looks very soft and durable with men's shoes made of cowhide. This item is recommended for men to wear in suits or casual shoes. More than anything else, with a double monk strap shoe with a strapless design. It is a design that can be worn comfortably by people with high feet. The details of the shoe buckle make me feel classic. Today, monk strap shoes are an integral part of a classic gentleman's shoe closet, and double monks have even achieved a certain kind of mainstream appeal. I recommend these shoes for cost effectiveness.